In these videos, the images were recorded at multiple frame rates, resulting in video motion that is not smooth. The first video shows the windsock at the helipad on the upper right side of the screen. The accident helicopter lifts off without pausing and immediately begins to rotate to the left. The counterclockwise spin continued several times. A witness estimated that the helicopter reached an altitude of about 100 feet before it started to descend. On the upper left side of the screen, you can see the parking lot where the helicopter crashed and the post-crash fire. The accident flight lasted about 32 seconds. The video capturing the ground impact showed fuel on the pavement near the helicopter 3.7 seconds after impact, and fire was first visible 0.2 seconds later.